Ready?
Ready?
All right, to do your DVD, just take your DVD, put it inside the drive.
All right.
Then you're going to come down here and you're going to open Encore, which is the EN
All right.
on the, like Premiere on After Effects Encore. And it will open eventually. And what it's going to do is it's going to tell you there's a DVD in there. Well, that's great. I know that because I stuck it in there myself. And Encore is going to continue to open. And again, in the background, you notice everything's still running. Now, one of the things I didn't tell you was once you start the queue, you can come actually here into Premiere and you can actually go ahead and shut that program completely down. And that might help you in the background with your memory stuff. Mm-hmm. So once you get the queues started, you can shut everything down but that. All right, when you get Encore open, Encore is basically going to be the same thing as Premiere. You're going to start a new project. Sometimes you have to click it twice. You're going to title it, and I always title it the same date. And in location, I come down here and I click Browse.
FBC backup.
And I'll go, well, actually on this one I do it different.
Okay.
For Encore, I actually go to the Sunday morning, and I actually find that one on here. So I'll go to 2016 services, I'll find that date, highlight it, and say choose. And then right here, after I do that, I'll say, okay, open up. So what it's doing now is it's creating that program, that folder. Now, if you want to name the DVD, which I usually do, on this page right here, which is called Build, you're going to come right here and it's going to say Name. And right now it says Untitled Project. What I do is I highlight that and I will say FBC Paris. And then I do the date of the service. And when somebody puts that DVD in their player or whatever, that's what's going to pop up. So it'll actually name the service.
Right.
Now, up here at the top, you've got project
Menus.
project menus, timeline, and build. Well, right now there's nothing to build because you hadn't entered anything. So you're going to go over here to projects. And you're going to have to do a right click. And you're going to say new timeline. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And basically what that's going to do is give you a window that you can actually use. Now you're going to double click here just like you would do for program elements and all that. You're going to double click and it's going to open up a folder over here where everything is. Again, it is under FBC Backup and it's under 2016 Burn to DVD. What you're going to do is come down and find the date, which on this one would be 8/21/16. Now, it's going to be an M2V, which is actually the video part of it, and then it's going to create a WAV file, which of course is your audio. So you're going to click on both of those, hold down the command key, click on that one, and you're going to say open. What it's going to do is it's now going to bring both of those files over here to where you created this timeline. Now, again, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on it, hold down your command key again, and this is just like Premiere. You know, in Premiere, you've got your little status bar down here where you actually see your video. Mm-hmm. You click on these two, you drag them down, and you put them right there. Now, it's going to go through, and it's going to do all this, and then if you want to make sure it's there, you just move the little cursor over, and there it is. There's your service. Once that's done, you've already got your DVD in there. You go back to the Build tab.
Mm-hmm. Now you got something to build.
Now you got something to build because there's actually data there.
Right.
Now, if you have a long service, the blue line right there tells you how much space is going to be taken up. So if you put something in there and all of a sudden it's way over here, it's probably not gonna build, okay? So before Encore will let you build anything, you have to check it. So right here, you're gonna click Check Project. And it's gonna open up a window, and this is all the things it's gonna check. So you click Start. You're always gonna have 2 errors.
I
Okay.
remember that.
So you come right here, you click on the first one, and it says Title Remote Not Set.
Remember that.
So you come over here to this window over to the side, and you see the button that says Title button, and it says Not Set. Then you come right here to the pull down menu, and you come down to where it says Stop. Okay? Come back over here, and it'll say Untitled Timeline, End Action Not Set. In other words, the computer doesn't, or the disk doesn't know what to do when it gets to the end. Is it supposed to repeat? Is it supposed to stop? Whatever. So you click on that one. You come back over here to this window again, like I was showing you, under your properties, and right here it says End Action, and it says Not Set. Do your drop down menu, you hit Stop. So in other words, you've told it to stop.
Right.
Now, if you want to double check it, come right back over here and run that start program again. All your errors are gone, so you can close that window. And now you can say, well, build the DVD. You click build, walk away, because it'll do the rest of it.
How long does it take?
20 minutes
Okay.
sometimes. And if you want to see what's going on back over here, see it's almost converted all the H.264.
Okay.
So you got, once all 4 of these turn into a green check mark, you're done. You can close this box.
Gotcha.
Okay? Simple as that.